Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Control, Power and Halo Pro pickleball paddles are designed for players seeking a high-performance paddle with ultimate spin, power, and consistency. Featuring Halo carbon fiber technology, these paddles offer advanced durability and superior control for players at all skill levels. The Halo carbon fiber face provides an excellent grip and increased spin potential, helping players place the ball with precision. The RevCore Power polymer core inside the paddle delivers consistent ball response and helps generate powerful shots while maintaining excellent ball control. This combination allows for a versatile playstyle, offering both aggressive play and strategic finesse. The Halo Pro version, in particular, is designed for advanced players, featuring a larger sweet spot for increased forgiveness, making it easier to execute powerful shots with less effort. The SLK Halo Control Paddle, on the other hand, focuses on offering precision and touch for players who prioritize control and accuracy over power. These paddles are constructed with lightweight materials, ensuring comfortable handling and quick reactions during intense rallies. The grip is designed for comfort and stability, providing a secure feel in the hand, whether for forehand or backhand shots. The Halo series paddles are perfect for competitive players who value both spin and power, offering a high-performance option for those who want to improve their game. Whether for competitive play or casual matches, the SLK Halo Control, Power, and Pro paddles are built to provide players with the optimal balance of control, spin, and power for all-around performance on the court. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The Pickleball Paddles, USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball set is a high-quality paddle set designed for both men and women, offering everything needed for a great pickleball experience. This set includes 2 paddles and 3 pickleballs, making it ideal for beginners or casual players looking for an affordable, yet durable option for the game. The paddles are made with a fiberglass surface, providing a balance of power and control with every shot. The fiberglass construction allows for improved durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, which is great for players who want quick handling and easy maneuverability. The paddles are also USAPA approved, meaning they meet the official standards for tournament play, ensuring reliability for both recreational and competitive matches. The set's ergonomic grip ensures comfort and stability during play, helping reduce strain on the wrist and providing a secure hold during extended gameplay. The paddles are designed with a sturdy core, which enhances control and reduces vibration, offering a smooth and consistent playing experience. The 3 included pickleballs are durable and well-suited for outdoor or indoor play. They are designed to withstand impacts and maintain their shape over time, providing an enjoyable and reliable experience for players of all skill levels. Overall, this pickleball paddle set is an excellent choice for players looking for affordable, high-quality paddles that meet USAPA standards. Whether you are a beginner or recreational player, the fiberglass surface and ergonomic design offer a great combination of control, comfort, and durability. This set is perfect for those seeking to enjoy the game casually or improve their skills. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete set designed for players of all skill levels, offering 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a convenient carrying bag. This bundle is an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players who are looking for a high-quality, affordable option to enhance their pickleball experience. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, providing a strong, responsive surface that allows for better control, precision, and spin on the ball. The polymer RevCore inside the paddles offers a perfect blend of power and touch, ensuring that players can execute both soft volleys and powerful shots with ease. The polymer core also helps to reduce vibrations, creating a comfortable feel with every swing. Designed with lightweight materials, these paddles ensure quick maneuverability and easy handling, making them ideal for players looking to enhance their reflexes and reaction time. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure hold, preventing fatigue during extended play sessions. The set includes 3 durable pickleball balls that are built to withstand consistent use, whether playing indoors or outdoors. The stylish carrying bag offers convenience, allowing you to easily transport your paddles and balls to the court. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is designed and manufactured in the USA, ensuring top-tier craftsmanship and quality. This set is perfect for players who want to invest in a durable and high-performance set without breaking the bank. Whether you're playing for fun or practicing to improve your skills, this bundle provides all the essentials for an enjoyable pickleball experience. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance option designed for players who value precision, control, and comfort. Featuring a graphite face and carbon fiber technology, this paddle offers exceptional durability and superior ball feel, making it ideal for both competitive and recreational play. The graphite surface enhances the paddle's responsiveness, allowing for better control over the ball and greater spin potential, giving players an edge in their game. The carbon fiber construction further boosts durability while maintaining a lightweight design for easy handling and maneuverability. Whether you're executing quick volleys or powerful smashes, the Mod Z5 provides a solid response on every shot. One of the standout features of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, designed for maximum comfort and reduced hand fatigue. This grip ensures a secure, non-slip hold, even during long and intense matches. The grip's ergonomic design helps absorb vibration, providing a more comfortable playing experience and reducing strain on the wrist and arm. The paddle's core is constructed for optimal balance, providing the perfect combination of power and control. This makes it suitable for players who like to mix up their playstyle with both aggressive shots and controlled placements. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, durable, and comfortable paddle. With its graphite face, carbon fiber build, and cushion grip, this paddle is perfect for players looking to improve their game with a blend of performance, comfort, and reliability. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed to provide a durable and comfortable playing experience for both beginners and intermediate players. These paddles are built with a reinforced fiberglass surface and a honeycomb polypropylene core, offering a perfect balance of power and control. The fiberglass surface ensures that the paddle has a responsive feel, allowing players to generate both spin and accuracy with each shot. The honeycomb polypropylene core enhances the paddle's durability and provides consistent ball response, ensuring players can execute powerful shots with precision. The core design also helps to reduce vibrations, creating a comfortable feel during play, especially for those new to the sport. Both paddles are USAPA approved, making them suitable for tournament play while offering the reliability needed for casual games as well. They are designed to withstand long-term use without compromising performance, providing excellent value for players seeking a quality paddle at an affordable price. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, helping players maintain control during long matches. The grip is designed to be non-slip, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing overall comfort, making these paddles perfect for players who want a paddle that feels great in their hand. Whether you choose the Joola Stratos or the Essentials, both paddles are designed to enhance your game with reliable performance, durability, and comfort. Ideal for beginners or casual players looking to improve their skills, these paddles offer an excellent combination of quality, ease of use, and value.